check this out. Antique pancake push key padlock. Those are the levers. This is the key. Pops right open. It's pretty cool. And there's a Harley outside. I don't know who that is, but this padlock came with a pick, and that's why I'm really excited. It's this way. There it is. See, it's super cool. I actually picked the padlock with it, and once the padlock is open, I'll show you guys. Finding the right amount of tension is the hard part. So now it's set to where they're all flush, all 6 probes. And what you do is you pull on the shaft. See, I've picked it open. And now, will be set. So we loosen the tension. Push it down, pull it out. I hope we did a good job. Tighten it. They are reset, and hopefully this captured a good molding, and it did. And Shazam! There's your key pattern. And then what you do is you got to find a proper blank, which you won't, so you have to manufacture it. And the person I bought this from also made this key, and as you can see, you can mate it up. It's pretty cool. I think there was a guy who made something like this, a little different. This came from a person named Lauren, and shout out, thank you again. But there was another dude named, I want to say his name was like Robert Dix or something like that, and it was called the Dix Picks. So it was something similar. And same principle, 6 probies, and whenever you pick it, you can capture, the key data, essentially. So, pretty cool stuff, man. Hope y'all enjoy.